What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for always appreciating my content. More love. Guys, today I'm super happy because I'm so glad that I am surrounded with people who listen, who are always keen to what I say. So, okay, let me give you a quick story. Tambo, when you come to Ushago, people are thinking like, sijui mnaenda kulima, mnaenda, penye kuna mang'ombe, nini. But let me chekesha you. We only had one cat. Just one cat. Kukua na difference, like, hata ukikuja Ushago, kuwa na hiyo vibe ya Ushago, nini. It was so boring. So imagine tutoke tao kushinda kwa nyumba watching the whole day. We come back to Ushago, spend the whole day in the house watching. Alafu hakuna animals. Hakuna. The only difference was that tuseme ni mahindi, which December watu hawalimi, unajua kumekauka nini. But mnakaa tu indoors. So there was not that vibe uko Ushago. You just come, mkae venye umezoea kushita na watch nini. The same way mnakuja Ushago, you spend the whole day in the house watching. So me, nimetamani to have animals, animal kingdom. And early this year, I've been telling the people around me that I really want animals. And one of my best friends blessed me with 2 puppies. Of course, you've seen them. That is Tokyo and Mali. Alafu, nimechoka mkono, wait first. That's why I'm saying it's good to have people, or to be surrounded with people who really listen to you, who understand you, who know what you want, and they bless you. So guys, I'm really excited today because I have 2 new members joining the family. Napenda hiyo vibe Ushago. Ukikuja Ushago, you come, unafeel unakaribishwa na dogi hapo kwa gate. Sijui unasikia ng'ombe inalilia huku, there's a cat this side, kuna kuku, the other side kuna sungura, kuna these animals mimi napenda. So my friend blessed me with the puppies, with 2 new puppies, Ali and Tokyo. Because our cat Chloe gave birth to 3 kittens. That is Smoothie, Sushi, and Muffin. Now I'm blessed with 2 new members of the family. Oh, I forgot, we got another gift of Hoki. Of course, if you watched the previous video of my funniest talking dog, that is Hoki. Yes, I was also given as a gift. And right now, today, someone special has blessed me with 2 new doves, and I'm really excited, guys. So I'm so happy. But the sungura, I feel also like to bless me with the rabbits. I really want rabbits now. Let me introduce to you my 2 new doves, and their names are Buddy and Bobby. The girl is Bobby, there are 2, Bobby, and the boy is Buddy. And I'm really excited that the family is growing, hiyo vibe ya Ushago sasa imeanza kukuja, the bird singing, hii weather, hakuna jua kali, it's just chilly all the time. By the way, let me tell you, leo jua haijawaka. Since yesterday, kumekuwa hivi dull, and it's really cold, it's freezing. So guys, in 3, 2, 1, here are Buddy, Tulia, Bobby, and Buddy. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm really excited. I've really been wanting to have these doves. It's our first time. Actually, it's our first time to keep all these animals. We've never had wanyama kitambo except cats. Cats do tumekuwa tukifuga for a long time. We love cats. We love kittens. We treat them like ni kama part of our family. We have family kubwa in the house. You can also talk to them because they listen. And now it's my first time actually to own doves, and I'm really excited. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on our next episode. Bye.
Jumping off the edge, they say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away.